Hello student, today we are going to start some multiple choice question MCQ and also answer on production technology under mechanical engineering module 5. All these MCQ are very important for competitive exam. Question number 1. What are referred to? There are 4 options. What are related to? Correct answer is A. What is a casting defect. Question number 2. Discontinuous chips are formed during machining. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Discontinuous chip is formed during machining on brittle metals. Question number 3. Continuous chip with built-up edge are formed during machining of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Continuous chip is formed during machining. Question number 4. When the cutting edge of the tool is dull, then during machining. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Cutting edge is dull during machining for continuous chip with built-up edge are formed. Question number 5. Preheating is essential in welding. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Casting. For casting, preheating is essential in welding. Question number 6. A dynamometer is a device used for measurement of. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Dynamometer is a device for measurement of forces during metal cutting. Question number 7. The type of tool used on milling machine and broaching machine is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. In milling machine and broaching machine, multi-point cutting tool is used. Question number 8. The type of tool used on lathe, shaper, planer. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Single point cutting tool. Single point cutting tool is used on lathe, shaper and planer. Question number 9. A single point thread cutting tool should ideally have. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Single point thread cutting tool should be zero rake angle. Question number 10. The lead screw of a lathe has dash thread. Correct answer is A. Single start. The lead screw of a lathe has single start thread. Question number 11. In drilling operation, the metal is removed by, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. In drilling operation, metal is removed by shearing and extrusion. Question number 12. Twist drill are made of, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Either A or B. Drill, mainly twist drill, are made of high speed steel and also carbon steel. Okay, so correct answer is D, either A or B.
Question number 13. The main purpose of a boring operation as compared to drilling is to, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Boring operation is a enlarge the existing hole, to enlarge the existing hole. Question number 14. In a shaper, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. In a shaper, work is stationary and tool reciprocate. Question number 15. In a planer, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. In a planer, tool is stationary and work reciprocate. Question number 16. The process of changing the shape of grinding wheel, as it becomes worn due to breaking away of the abrasive and bond is called, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Twinning. Question number 17. The method of centreless grinding used to produce taper is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. End feed grinding. End feed grinding is used for centreless grinding to produce taper. Question number 18. The in-feed grinding. The in-feed grinding is used to, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. In-feed grinding is used for grind solder and form surface, that means curved surface. Question number 19. The grinding of long slender shaft or bar is usually done by, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Through feed grinding. Through feed grinding is used for grinding long slender shaft or bar. Question number 20. In centreless grinding, the workplace center will be, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Workplace center will be above the line joining the 2 wheel center. Okay.